Aviation has always been in my blood. It's one of those type of professions that you either love it or you hate it. And if you love it, you're in it the rest of your life. I was very fortunate to be hired in 1990, Stevens Aviation. I started in the marketing department, and within a year then I was promoted into the service manager's position. I like, first of all, working with the customers. They come here because they know we're going to fix the airplane. There's nothing that gives you a better feeling than when a customer comes in and you get to tell him, hey, we fixed that problem. You wouldn't believe what it is, you know. And they're in amazement of what we do from that aspect of it. So it's those moments that really gives you the fire that keeps you pressing on. And then also when a customer comes in and he says, you know what, you did a great job.